Hello, my name is Juan Moresco, and this is the second video of this series. I will be covering three sections. First, how to integrate applications using SQS, SNS, and Kinesis. Second, how to monitor them with CloudWatch, CloudTrial, and X-Ray. And finally, the essentials networking concepts with VPC. So, synchronous communication between applications can break down under traffic spikes. If you normally process 10 videos but suddenly a thousand come in, the system fails over. The solution is to decube your applications. With SQC, you use a quake model. Producer send message and consumer process them at their own pace. With SNS, you use pub sub. You publish to a topic with a topic and multiple subscribers receive the message. With Kinesis, you stream data in real time at a massive scale. All of these services scale independently from your application. Amazon SQS versus Amazon SNS. So SQS is AWS Q service, fully serverless, one of the oldest services on the platform. It scales to 10 of thousands of messages per second, retain messages for up to 14 days, and consumers delete messages after processing. There's also a FIFO queue for strict ordering. SNS is PubSub. You publish to a topic and all the subscribers receive a message simultaneously. It supports up to 12.5 million subscribers per topic, has no message retention, and subscriber can be SQS queued, Lambda function, email, SMS, or HTTP endpoint. Kinesis is for real big-time data streaming. Kinesis data streams ingest data from hundreds of thousands of sources, IoT devices, clickstreams, logs with low latency. Amazon Delta Firehose loads those streaming into S3, Redshift, or OpenSearch. Then Amazon MQ is a managed message broker for when you're migrating on-premises application that already use open protocols like MQTT, AMQP, or STOMP. It doesn't scale as well as SQS or SNS, runs on servers, supports multi-availability zones failover, and has both queue and topic feed. So CloudWatch is AWS Central Monitoring Service. Metrics are variables you track over time. EC2, CPU, EBS disk width, S3 bucket size, billing. EC2 sends metric every 5 minutes by default. With detailed monitoring, you get 1 minute intervals. The alarms trigger actions when a metric crosses a threshold. You can auto scale, stop, or reboot EC2 instances, or send SNS notifications. Logs centralize log data from Elastic Beanstalk, EC, ECS, Lambda, EC2 via agent, and Route 53. And finally, Event Bridge lets you react to AWS events or schedule cron jobs that trigger Lambda function, SQ. A VPC is your virtual private network in AWS, scoped to a region. Inside the VPC, you create subnets tied to a specific availability zone. Public subnets have access to the internet, private subnets don't. Route tables control how traffic flows between subnets and to the internet. On IP addresses, public IPv4 change every time you stop and start an instance, unless you use an elastic IP, which is fixed, but it's charged even when you are not using it. Private IPv4 is fixed even when you stop the instance, and IPv6 in AWS is public and free.